Hello marketers, my name is Govind and today I am going to review LiveSuite, which is the software where you will get 6 modules to run your business online. This is the complete solution to host your website, to put your online content, to build a funnel, to set an autoresponder, to design graphics. So this is all 6 modules in LiveSuite. So first of all, I want to explain what exactly LiveSuite is. So LiveSuite is an all-in-one automation platform where you will get cloud hosting, which is unlimited, file storage, which is also unlimited, and the auto responding software, which is the email marketing software. You don't need to buy other softwares from any other platform. A funnel builder, which is as a competitor of ClickFunnels, and live webinar creation software, which is as equal to Zoom software, and the final module you will get, which is graphic designing. This graphic designing is not up to the Photoshop, but you can compare it with Canva. Okay, so you don't need to buy Canva Pro. You will get all these things in one platform, which is LiveSuite. So I'm going to demonstrate LiveSuite one by one its module. So all modules are separated. This is the sales page of LiveSuite. I am going to explain you something about LiveSuite. So here they say the first ever all-in-one automated platform makes limitless cloud hosting, file storage, auto responding, funnel building, webinar creation, and graphic designing and instant reality. Okay, so this all things, this all 6 modules you will get only on $14 to $19. There are price variation. If you will buy on the first day of launching, it will get you to $14. If you will buy it after day of launch, then you will get it high costing. It may be around $14 to $30. So this is the pricing of front end of LiveSuite. What are the limitations and what you will get on its front end and what you will get in its OTOs. I will explain lots of things, all the things here. So don't leave this video until the end, and please subscribe my channel to get all latest software deals daily. Okay, so this is the sales page of LiveSuite where you will get the software, you will buy the software, and now I am taking to you to my LiveSuite review. This is my website named techevoke.com. Here I am explaining you in written form what is exactly LiveSuite and what are the launches, what is the launch date, and the price is now $14. It will change day by day till the 1st July 2021. So the launching is only for 4 days. So don't delay, hurry up, get the discount and get all these 6 modules in one platform. So as immediate I am explaining you, I am offering you the huge bonuses with this software. So here are my bonuses. You will see that I will share the bonus link on my description. You will check there what are the bonuses you will get. So one or two bonus I am explaining here right now. Rest of them you can check after the completing the video. First is RankMath Pro, which is an SEO plugin. Second one is Divi Builder, which is the WordPress page builder, which is very popular and expensive software. Third one is traffic generating resource. Then here are lots of bonuses you will get with the LiveSuite. So these bonuses you will get, these are very costly and cost effective and the value added bonuses. So don't forget to get my bonus if you will buy the LiveSuite software. Okay, so one by one I am explaining you all the things. So this is the members area of one of the module in LiveSuite. So this is Live Cloud, where you can put your content, put your business content, put your business things like videos, like photos, and the script, anything you can put here, and you can use it anywhere to share your clients, to share the images. You can do use this live cloud library as a DNS. Okay, so in DNS you put your content as like images and videos in any other server, and use them to your website from a different server. So this is like different server. You will get all the functionality here, and there is no limit of uploading here. You can upload unlimited. Okay, so here you can see that the storage status, only 86.9 MB used of unlimited. So the limit is unlimited here, and you can put any of the content here. So here you can you can create the folders, and once you upload your image, so if you want to use this image anywhere in the web, or you want to share this image, only you have to do to go to the sharing. Okay, so here is not sharing. Once you open the file, and then sharing code, and here you will get the direct link. So this direct link will directly open your file. It can be image, it can be video, it can be any of the things. Okay, so this is the sharing link, and you can put any of your image, like you have a Google Drive account, and you have a limit of 15 GB there, and after 15 GB you cannot put any of the file there, and you have to delete any of the file, or you have to pay to the Google. So in live cloud, in LiveSuite, you don't have to pay any extra penny. This is the unlimited storage, and you can put much more things here. So this is all about live cloud. This is one module, and rest of the 5 modules are left now. So I'm going to the another module. Okay, so now I am in the dashboard of Cloud Live Host. So this is the live host hosting, and you may heard about it already, live hosting, or live host, which is the lifetime hosting for unlimited domains. So here you can create a virtual server. Okay, so I'm not going to create a server here. Already I have created 2 servers. I'm going to see you. One is live host domain, and the second one is govindrana.com. This is my name again. Okay, so you can create here the server. Okay, so this server I have created right now. So in which server you want to create a website or put your website, you can choose from this drop down, and you have to go to the webmin, and in webmin you can explore your file. Okay, so this is the server, this is the tool. So in tool menu you will see that here is a file manager. Okay, so the MySQL database has already created in virtual admin. You can check there, and if you want to put any of the website here, you can put here and connect to the database. You can go to the trainings. Okay, so here are the onboard trainings. Okay, so access video training. If you don't know how to install a website, or how to install WordPress to your hosting, to your virtual server, then you can go to the training section here, which is inbuilt in the dashboard of, in the members area of Cloud Live Host. So here you will see that there are lots of training videos. Okay, so with these videos you can done your work. This is the admin panel overview, live host, how you can explore your admin panel. So in these trainings you may suffer some of the options you will not get on your dashboard. So this is only for the upgrades. Okay, so if you are not upgrading or buying a bundle of live host, then you will not get all the options which are available on the training. So if you want to use this all the features of live suite, then you have to buy a bundle of a live suite. So bundle is not the high amount. You can check on my review. Go to the front end, then upgrade for further OTOs. Okay, so this is all about the live host, cloud host. So one thing I want to explain you here, most of us, me and you, are using WordPress on any of the hosting. Okay, so if you buy the front end only of live suite, you will not get the automatic WordPress installation. You can put your file, WordPress file, on the tools by going to the tools and going to the file manager and uploading and change the server details, php my admin details here, and you can connect your. So this is the manual work. If you want to do it automatically and the provided software installation service, then you have to upgrade it at least one OTO, so that you will get the full features of automatic installation of WordPress. So that's it for the live host. This is very amazing. You will get the unlimited hosting, you will get the unlimited domain hosting. So in $14 to $19, this is not a bad deal, guys. I'm paying more than $150 in a year to host 1 to 2 website. If I want to get maximum speed, high speed cloud hosting speed. So this is very good and very cheap price hosting for me. So again, I am recommending you, if you have taken a decision to buy the live host, then must buy with my link, and you will get the additional bonuses with this. Okay, so any of the module you want and rest of the module you don't use, then the deal is not bad. If only one module I want, then again the deal is not bad, so go for it. Okay, so the third module is, I'm going to the third module, which is the live meet. Guys, this is the exciting thing. You don't need to pay for Aweber, you don't need to pay for GoToMeeting, you don't need to pay for a Zoom meeting. So this is the live meet, and this is included on the front end of live suite. So what you have to do in this dashboard, this is the dashboard. I have got a separate login of all the modules. So you have to log in separately one by one of each modules. So to host a meeting, I have to start a meeting. I am clicking on start a meeting, and here what type of meeting you want to create. So select your meeting. I want to webinar. Okay, so creating a webinar. So my webinar is created, and it shows me what you want to use as your microphone. So I'm allowing it. Yeah, so my meeting is now started. So this is as equal to the Zoom meeting, so you can use it anywhere. Okay, so I'm ending it. Yeah, so this is it for meeting, and you can use this for the lifetime membership with live suite. Okay, so this is amazing, and if you want only this module, you can go for it. Okay, so the fourth one is live mail. So in live mail, you can automate your email marketing. Here you can set your campaigns. So the credit limit is unlimited here. You can send unlimited emails. You can upload unlimited contacts. The list foundation is not here. As you go for active campaign, you go for MailChimp, you will get the limitations of uploading the contacts, and you have rest of the restrictions there if you don't go for higher plan. So in this module, you will get the unlimited plans on its front end. Okay, some of the features are logged for the further OTOs, but to use it regular basis, if you want to create campaigns, automation campaigns, and uploading the list and connecting list to your any of the subscriber form or contact form, you can do this much of thing here. Unless some modules, some features can be blocked here for the further OTOs, such as tracking the reply, tracking the link click, tracking the opening rate. So some of the functions will unlock if you will buy further OTOs. Okay, so this is the fourth module which is very useful for you. Automated mail, you can set your automation email marketing here. Okay, so the fifth one is here is the fifth one, LiveSuite. So LiveSuite, in LiveSuite you will get, this is called live conversion. Okay, so here is the real name of this is only the logo. So live conversion is a funnel builder. So again here they say the funnel builder on its front end sales page. Okay, so they offer us funnel building. Okay, so this is the funnel builder and you can build unlimited funnels here. So what are the funnels? You may heard about ClickFunnels, which is about 160 or $70 per month. Okay, so the regular plan of ClickBank is this much of an amount. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to create a new campaign. You can put your name and the domain name. So my domain name is govindrana.com and create. So okay, so this pixel you have to put on your head. Okay, so copy the pixel and cut, and here Govindrana is in here. Okay, yeah, so now the domain is not working because I want to create the domain with the LiveSuite funnel builder. Okay, so again I'm explaining you some more examples which I have created already. So here are the coupon, my new notification. So this is the coupon. Okay, so this is the website. So I'm opening it to the incognito tab. So here profitjam.live. Okay, so this is the funnel which is created with the LiveSuite live conversion module. Okay, this is the as simple as creating a funnel. If you don't know how to create, you can go to the live training. Okay, so you can go to the LiveSuite live training. So you can use it according to you. If I am explaining you how to use it, how to create, how to design, then the video will be so long and you will get bored, and some of the guys will get bored. So I'm not explaining you how to use it. I'm only demonstrating the features and what you will get with the LiveSuite front end and its OTOs. So the final module is here, LiveSuite store builder. Okay, so this is the module which you can compare it with the Shopify store. Okay, so if you have any e-commerce brand, or you want to launch your e-commerce website, if you want to do drop shipping, or if you want to launch any of your local store to online, then you can use it very easily. Okay, so here the few functions are really similar to the Shopify, but not as advanced to the Shopify, because Shopify's monthly subscription is very high and this module is giving you low price. So here what you have to do, you have to upload your logo, invoice logo, and then store name and etc. Okay, so there are lots of things you have to fill here, which will show you in the front page of your website. Okay, so here with the front end, you cannot add a custom domain with this. If you will upgrade it OTO 1, OTO 2 or OTO 3, you can get the custom domain addition function here, but if you use it with the front end only. You can use it with the LiveSuite domain. Okay, so here you can add your products, you can add your tax details and the product coupon. So lots of things are here. The pre-made store where you only have to put your logo or branding details or emails and upload your products and put your payment details here. Then you will now go to launch your online store, e-commerce store. Okay, so that's it for LiveSuite. This is a very good deal which is now going to launch on Warrior Plus. So the launching date is $28. So I'm recording this video on $28. So the launching is today, and may you will see the video after the launch or after the sales period end. So the deal will not goes on after the sales period also, but you will get some high price after the sales period. So don't forget to buy this software before the end of the launch date. So this is my review page, and the link you will get in the description, and you can check all the bonuses by clicking on this button or going to the bottom area of this review. Okay, so go for it. I'm highly recommending you to go for this software. The price is not a big deal. Lots of you are investing this much of thing for your food only, daily food only. Okay, so the price is not high, and you will get something extra with this. So thank you. This is end of the LiveSuite review.